segment will cover the creation and setup of an image file. An image file is the base layer of your configuration. This encompasses the Windows operating system as well as the unattend or answer file. smartImager supports both the default image file that comes with your Windows media as well as a custom image that you may create using any reference computer. We highly recommend using the default image file that comes with your Windows media. If you are using a Windows DVD or ISO, the default image will be named install.wim. Create an image component by clicking on the Create button and enter a name for the image component you are adding. You may name it anything you like. An image component has two required properties, the image file and the configuration file. The image file is a reference to the WIM file you would like to use. The configuration file is a reference to the unattend XML file you would like to use. You may type in the full path to each file or click on the magnifying glass to browse to the files you would like to use. If you choose to create and use your own custom WIM file using a reference computer, do not capture the WIM as a split file. Capture it as a single file and smartImager will handle the splitting for you. smartImager ships with default unattend files for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. These files provide the bare minimum configuration to deploy an image and are located under your smartImager installation directory in the repository's unattend folder. The remaining properties for image file component are the image index and split size fields. The Windows image file format supports indexed or multiple images within a single file. By default, the first index is generally what you want to use. However, if you create your own custom WIM and merge multiple images, you may need to select a different index. The split size property allows you to split WIM files. You can choose to split your WIM file into sections as small as 512 megabytes. Setting compatibilities for your image file ensures that the image file will only deploy and be installed if certain criteria is met. If, for instance, we type in laptop and assign the computer type laptop compatibility, this image file will only be installed if the computer we are deploying to is a laptop. Click Save to save your image configuration.